landed in Cusco, Peru, where the altitude is 3,000 meters. We're gonna start feeling the onset of altitude sickness. Essie is chewing on the cocaine leaf. So is Ellen. That's probably $5 US right there. Good morning! Day 2. We're on our way to the first leg of our Macchu Picchu hike. Paul's feeling better. Yeah! Ellen let her hair down. And we got a companion to join us. So the next 3 days are going to be filled with a lot more hiking, biking, maybe swimming, and then hiking some more. This is exhausting. And so Ellen right now is trying to consolidate everything from this luxury roller bag into this day pack.
Okay, it has my bare essentials. Okay,
I was going to say, she's the only one in this entire town that brought a roller bag.
I don't have a damn hiking bag, okay, princess.
We'll always be young and wild and free, dancing through these streets, no one watching and nowhere to be. While we're young, wild and free. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your violence. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been silent for too long. I've been quiet for too long.
Good morning, everyone. So today is day 3. We've got about a 7-hour hike to our next location. We've got some hot springs, and hopefully we can unwind before we go to Macchu Picchu tomorrow morning.
Growing up in the golden age, throwing rocks to your window pane. Kiss me once and I'll float away, but that ain't me anymore. Well, I don't mind if I sell my soul to get a song on the radio. Credit cards on a student loan, that's a millennial. Do you remember how it feels to be young? Do you remember we could be anyone? Well, I miss the beautiful door of your rooms.
If you like that video of me messing with Paul and Ellen, hit the like button below and subscribe. Get the fuck out!
It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 4 of our Peru trip. This is day 3 of the Inca Trail Tour. Gearing up now to go ziplining this morning. Luckily, they gave us helmets here to protect the most important thing, our hair. Eric and I are matching because it's already hard enough to tell us apart.
She's wearing green too.
She's wearing green too. And she looks just like us, so. Yep.
Let's go.
Walk into a smoke-filled room, a little black dress and mama shoes. Isn't it a bit too soon? Could you be that guy?
feel bad. Alright, so we're missing a step here. That's no bueno. Oh boy.
Today, we just finished doing the zip lining. Finished doing the walking on the bridge. We can package for lunch.
Tomorrow's Macchu Picchu, by the way. We're gonna unpack, get ready for lunch, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Alright, hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Good morning, it's 4 a.m. I just packed up our breakfast and lunches. I'm gonna go downstairs, meet up with some of the other crew. I'm gonna make our way over to Macchu Picchu so that we can get to the very top by 6:15. So that we can see the sunrise,
Hey guys.
get a tour, and do what we came here to do.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's get Macchu Picchu, guys.
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around.
We made it, everyone. Welcome to day 4. Finally made it after, well, how long was that climb? It was like a 45-minute hike.
Pretty much.
We literally sprinted up here because we tried to catch a sunrise, beat the crowd. Unfortunately, everyone else had the same idea, but can't complain with this view.
When I need you the most, so don't let me down. Don't let me down.
We're sitting here because Julian likes the decor.
Look at this place. This place is my spirit animal. Look, it's got books in glass jars. It's got steel sewing machines. This is coffee, I can't. If you guys like that coffee tasting video, remember to hit like and subscribe.
Yes.
Like and subscribe if you like where we're staying tonight. Ellen, by the way, is deathly ill, so we're doing the best that we can to make her as uncomfortable as possible. This is what we do to our friends who are in need.
Come to Peru, bitches!